Hi, this is Jason from Unio Tech Solutions. Today we had a client doing some disinfecting using an electrostatic sprayer. This is an electrostatic sprayer. It takes the cleaning solution in here in the reservoir and it sprays it into a mist. It puts a static charge onto the little particles of liquid, and when those particles go into the air, it clings to the nearest object, but it totally encompasses that object. It doesn't just go into the air and land on the object. It wraps around it. For more information regarding this service, give us a call. We'd love to help.